accomplish tonight. We're going to set up camp. I'm going to collect some firewood, start a fire. We're going to collect some water, get my water boiling. I'm going to go ahead and start making my dinner. I've been checking the weather. I don't think it's going to rain. Basically, I'm just going to try to do as much as I can before it gets dark enough that I want to go to sleep. Okay, so I might be a little rusty at this, but we're going to be using my bedroll. We're going to be doing that wedge or plow point shelter. It could rain. It's going to be the quickest to take up and down. I have a good tree here for it. It's going to give me the most space considering everything. So I'll start setting it up right now. This thing I'm going to do is get my moisture barrier in. Then we'll start collecting water and firewood. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some water and fire started. Due to problems with the camera, I didn't actually get myself filling it up, but that's my garden hose, and it has a mind of its own. It is not my friend. Well, I'm back. Been having a little problem with the camp. Right now, I'm going to get ready to chop some more firewood. I'm going to put that on camera and show you what I'm doing. And hopefully we'll be able to build a fire. Hopefully we'll be able to cook a little bit and get this first hour of sleep out of the way. I'm exhausted. I'm ready for this day to be over. How much to split it on? So I just got a piece of wood here, just to protect it from, protect my blade from going into the ground. Break the rest of them down just like that. Alright. I don't have much in the way of tinder, except this little bundle of stuff here, and that's what I'm going to have to use. There's some leaves, some light little pieces of wood chips. It'll be good enough to start my ember with. I got some fuel laying down to start the fire with. I got a piece of char cloth here, and I'm not going to even try with ferro rod or nothing. I'm just going to flick the bick and let it go. Take off. We'll go ahead and get my water boiling. Alright, get the mess kit out and start getting to work. I have this bowl to cook my soup in. I'm going to use this in conjunction with the cooking service and make a griddle and try to fry up some pancakes for lunch tomorrow. I'm going to use this as a little mixing bowl real quick. As soon as my water's boiling over there, I will make me some pancake dough and get my soup ready. Alright, so like I said about the soup, it's just pop top. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. My water hasn't boiled yet. I'll go ahead and mix up some pancake dough. What I want to do is I'm going to take my pancake dough. I'm going to add 4 heaping spoonfuls of flour, maybe 3, and maybe 2.5. I'll figure it out. flour, self-rising flour. Next, I'm going to get in here, get out my sugar, add a couple pinches of that to it. And then finally I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Just a little bit of my shortening. Just take it back to my spoon. I'm going to put that, take some more of that shortening and put it in this pan here. So like that. Probably move it, but what hit it, that's how you tell because it's dark, but finally my water's boiling. Move my fire around so I got some coals here. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to this and make it to pancake batter and lots of pancakes up after this. I'll show you that. I may have a little bit more water than I want, but it's got a little bit more lumps too, but can't make it perfect out here. Put this right here for just a minute. Let that melt down. I'll pour this batter in here now. This will be my lunch for tomorrow, yeah. I'll fry that up next now. Hopefully I had enough fat to keep it from sticking and burning, and hopefully I had enough water to steam the inside. Try to flip it again. So this is what my bread ended up into. I just kind of balled it up and I'm going to wrap it. I'll keep that in my pack. Just got my soup here and it's decently warmed through. Can't beat Chunkies. Nothing like good hot soup looking at a fire. Yeah, let's wash our dishes and get ready for bed. Washing dishes? Gonna be the easiest part of tonight. I'm going to find this. I'm going to inflate this mattress. Now this will take me a while, so that's why I'm not going to film it all. But once I inflate this all, I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Next I have these little floaties. I have 4 of them in total. And I'm going to inflate these, and those will go into my pillowcase, and they'll be my pillow for the night. So now I want to stuff these into my pillow sack, just like this. Shake them till they're all at the bottom. I have these hollow. Put the lay my head on. You can take cord and tie it off if you wanted to. I'm just going to twist it at the bottom. And then just some of this left over. Put it up here to the head of our bed. And we'll take this wool blanket and get it right beside it. I'll probably lay on this and cover with the wool blanket. I'm not going to put the wool blanket down and then like fold myself into it because it's just not that cold. Fire's almost out. I'll make sure it goes up before I go to bed, and most of my stuff's put up. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this first day. It's been real long and hard, so I'm getting ready to go right to bed. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, Backpack Bushcraft. If you want to follow and keep up with what I do, follow me on Facebook and Twitter at bpackbushcraft. And if you want to check out the blog, go to my website www.backpackbushcraft.com. I post a blog every Sunday night at 11:30 EST. And guys, as always, keep those fires burning. Put a log on for me. Thanks.